Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Hoy, gabi na. Ay, hanggang morning pa. Pero in businesses, it's good morning! I am CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. So, today or tonight, we'll be doing a Q&A video and it's my first time to do this, but I think it's great to have this because it gives me interaction with you guys. And I posted on Twitter that about this video and I'm glad that I got a few questions to answer. So without further ado, I will be answering the questions right now. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell below and share peace and love. So, question number 1 from Dolly. Dolly, first question, bukid or dagat? Of course, bukid. I'm more like trekking rather than going to the ocean. But recently, I was just introduced to freediving, which is really awesome. But I don't think that I will go to that direction. But let's see what happens in the near future. But my answer for today would be mountains because it changed me to who I am today. Next question is from Arn de la Cruz. Ask CJ, what is the best word to describe yourself? Awkward. Awkward, probably because I'm awkward in real person, and yeah, probably awkward. But yeah, in real person, in like sa tinuod lang, in if we meet if we meet in person, I'm so silent and awkward and I don't really talk, but except to those close friends na ako. And yeah, but sometimes when sipa when sipa kicks in, I tend to be really noisy, loud, especially in vlogging. Yeah. but really I'm awkward. Okay, next question, Jara Varts. I am CJ Estrada. Kailan mo ako mamahalin? Ha 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 ha. Pag mamahalin. Pag pag nasa OLX ka na para mahalin ka na. Char lang. But next question from Viajera Silvana. Hi JL. What was your worst experience in courting someone? Ask CJ. So many. Worst experience, I don't know. Probably katong pero wala man ko yung official court at good. So kuyog ko to like being a martyr. It's like martyr sa una. Pero wala po ng court at good. So I've been with that girl for like almost a year. And we're like #dating. Yeah, murag ako rin ang iba nga na kuhan ko niya. Pero wala ko confess, so wala. Hindi po siya courting. Okay man siya na. Sorry. I suck with that part. Kaya kung previous ka mga kauyaban kay kuhan man to, bata ko man to, mga high school pa man to, so puppy love. Dapat di puppy love. So dili po to siya kanang kuhan, kanang maturing love. Ambot. Next question from Aldrin Kormushpit. What is the biggest misconception about being a vlogger? Ask CJ. Ano yung biggest misconceptions about kuan? Probably mga rich kids siguro. Kay, of course, the gears are expensive, but being a vlogger does not mean you are rich. Kay, there's a lot of equipments that you can use or you can utilize even if just like for a cheap price, like phones. I started as a mobile phone vlogger, so I don't really have the gears that's very nice, such as mirrorless cameras, microphone. tripods that's very expensive, but as long as you have the desire to create content and you have the desire to share your thoughts or what you love, you want to create things and you want to create content, of course. So that doesn't mean that you can't be a vlogger. Yeah, so I think that's the biggest misconceptions about vloggers. What? Yeah, next. This question is from Bean in Transit. Hi, Bess. What would you do if you were not afraid? I will take the road less traveled on. So yeah, I will take the path that's for me, or I think the best for me, if and only if I'm not afraid to do or take risks and sacrifice a lot of things, because currently I don't want to be reckless in life. I don't want to be careless with life because I don't want to deal with such big problems that I can't seem to handle. But ironically, I do love taking risks, but that is in terms of travel. But for a question, I think, yeah, taking the road less traveled is what I will do if I'm not afraid. Yeah. Question from Rhea Adlucente. So, dugin ang gani. How to be you po? Ask CJ. Sayaw pa more. How to be me? Wear eyeglasses. Have kuan. But no, you don't have to be me, because you have to be you as yourself, because you are unique as an individual and you cannot replicate who I am, because I'm also unique. But how to be me is just to be wise, at the same time vulnerable. Word vulnerable. So vulnerable in making, to be someone. Vulnerable as in I'm proning myself to mistakes, because I do learn a lot by committing mistakes, and I think it's the best teacher, mistakes. Yep. Random thoughts. Nganong walay forever? Hashtag Bitter Squad. So wala gi forever kay mga matay ang tanan. Diba? But walay forever, na together. Alden Floyd, asa naman imong forever? Ang buta, asa kong forever? Wala siguro ka, wala nung forever. So, hashtag Bitter Squad. I think that's it for our Ask CJ vlog. So thank you very much for your questions, and I hope you had fun, and I do hope I was able to answer your questions. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Peace and love, and see you on the next vlog.